It's gonna be better?
All
better, okay?
better.
You okay? Did you want your water? Want your water? What up guys? So I am really tired today, but I'm gonna pull it through because we have an axle to replace. And I'm like low-key dreading it because, I don't know, for me, just pulling them out, I have such a hard time pulling them out. That's not what he said. My daughter has seriously been driving me out of my mind today. She's just a little extra today, but it's okay. I'm gonna let her do her and hopefully she'll let me do me. But here goes the axle replacement. Hopefully I don't act too much of a fool, but I'm hoping I don't hurt myself too much. I hope not. Okay, so I'm gonna have my stepdad come bring me like a pipe or like a breaker bar because there's one lug nut on there that's super tight. I'm not even gonna say how long I've been trying for to get it out. A long time. Taking off next are these bolts right here, and these I believe, well no I don't believe, I know that they are 15 millimeter. So there's 2 bolts on each side. I'll use a wrench on this side to hold it in place while I impact out the other side. So I am prying this open right here. As you can see, the ball joint. I don't know if you can see it. Shoot. Can you see what I'm doing? Right here. See, I almost got it out. That is what I am prying open with the pry bar. It makes this a lot easier. At least I don't know about anybody else to take the whole rotor off so far. This is the first time I'm doing this by myself, so let me know next time if there's an easier time. But easier to take this off. And then I'm gonna put this way. I have the caliper and the brake lines laying on my jack right here. So far, I hope that this makes it a lot easier for me to get in here. Yes! Yes! I got it loose. I got it loose. It was easier to take that off. A lot easier for me. Camera, of course, doesn't want to focus. There we go. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how broken this CV axle is, okay? Hopefully, you guys will be able to see it. I'm going to shine the light on it. But look at that. Straight up straight up. So I'm hoping I can pull it out without breaking it even more. Alright y'all, so it is dark outside now because I had to make a couple of runs earlier. Let's go, I don't even know where to go. So I have a light to help shine my wheel well. So, but yeah, I did have to make a couple runs later, but I'm hoping to get this done tonight or tomorrow early in the morning. So either way, let's hammer this axle out and hopefully I can like get it pulled out. Wish me luck. Okay, so it's morning time and I took a break last night and I went to bed and I almost got all the axle out, and then Jorge came over this morning to help me take the rest out, and he only had to do it 2 more times and it was out, of course, right? And we have the new one in already, so if you see that in there, no tears, no rips, clean. I do want to clean off that grease in there. I want to see if brake cleaner will get it clean, but yeah. Anastasia? Anastasia, stop. Checking everything's back in that I had taken out. I'll jump back in and everything seems in place. tired. I'm ready for another shower